Good morning everyone. My name is Revati B, working as an assistant professor in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in Shriram Engineering College. In this video, we discuss about the decision making statement which is used in programming language C. What is decision making statement? That is the part of the code to execute based on some condition. That is the statement used for decision making, which is called as another conditional statement. That is, the decision making means a part of the program will execute based on some condition. That means the program does not execute all statement continuously. It checks the condition first. Whether the given condition is true means it will execute the some statement. The execution is based on the true or false. The program decides whether to execute a particular block of the code or not. So the conditional statement or decision making statement is used to evaluate the conditions, some conditions to execute. Let us see the type of the conditional statement. If statement, if else statement, if else if statement, switch statement, ternary operator. These are all the conditional statement already we using in the C programming language. Let us see one by one in detail. The first one is if conditional statement. It is the simplest form of the conditional statement checking. In this, the condition is true means we execute the one part of the code. That is, if the given condition is true means the given block of the code is executed. Let us see the example. In this example, the modular of the given value a is equal to 0 means we execute the part of the code, that is the given number is even. We consider the only true statement in the if conditional statement. We don't further about the false statement in if conditional statement. Next type of conditional statement is if else conditional. If else conditional statement, we consider the both true and false conditions. Whether the given condition is true means we execute the statement 1. If the given condition is false, we execute the statement 2. The same example, the modular function of a is equal to 0 means the given number is even. Otherwise, the given number is odd. In if else conditional, we both consider the true and false condition statement. When more than two conditional statement we want to check in the program means we go with the if else if conditional statement. Here whether the condition is false means it go with the conditions 2. Whether the condition 2 is true means they execute one part of the statement. Otherwise, the condition statement is false means it execute the another part of the statement. Let us see one example. Here, the given x value greater than 0 means we go with, that is x is positive number. If the first condition is false means next we again check the another conditional, that is x less than 0. If x less than 0 means the x value is negative number. Otherwise the x value is 0. So more than two conditional checking, if you need to check the more than multiple conditions means we go with if else if conditional statement. The next statement is switch statement. Switch case statement is the another for alternative method of if else if statement. Here also we check the more than two conditional statement. Here we consist of various cases that is executed based on the value, and of once the value is executed, it's switch over the next variable using break statement in between the cases. Syntax of the switch cases is if the given expressions that is in case 1 the value 1 is true means the particular part of the code if executed, otherwise the next case will be executed. In case any one of the case is not true means by defaultly the particular code is executed. This is the syntax for switch case statement. Here we explain with one example. In switch statement there is a x variable. If the x value is equal to 0 means x value is 0. If the given x value is 1 means the x value is 1. The case 0 and the case 1 is separated by using break statement. If the x value is not either 0 or 1 means by defaultly the value is unknown. We consider that the value is unknown. The last conditional statement is ternary conditional statement. This is the short form of an if else statement. That is, the given condition is true means we execute one part of the code. If not true means, that is false means, if execute the another part of the code. The syntax of the ternary operator is the given condition expression if true means we execute the first part, otherwise they execute the second part. The example, we consider the x and y value as 10 and 50. If x is greater than y means we print that the x value is biggest number, otherwise y is the biggest number. According to our input, y value 50 is the biggest number, so our output is biggest number. In the single line itself we check the condition, that is which variable or which number is biggest number by using ternary conditional statement. So we summarize this video. We are discussed about what is decision making statement and types of decision making statement. What are all the decision making statements are available in C. Each statement in the syntax of each statement and the examples are discussed. Thank you.